Hello, everyone. Let us try to create regression models through given data. Okay. The regression models could be either quadratic, second degree polynomial, cubic, third degree, or quartic, fourth degree, or anything. Okay. Here I am in page number 167 and question number 31. So consumer confidence. The Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Index, CCI, is listed for years 2008 to 2015 in the table below. This is the real data, and the data are given. Okay, so question number A, plot the data with x equals to 8 to be the corresponding year to 2008. So this is x equals to 8, 9, x equals to 9, this is x equals to 10, and so on, right? And these are the corresponding consumer confidence. Okay? Now use quartic regression. Quartic means fourth degree polynomial regression to find fourth order polynomial function that models this data. Graph y equals to f of x on the same screen as the data points. Does the graph appear to be reasonable model for this data? Okay? And what does the model estimate for the CCI in 2015? Is this close to actual index value as shown in the table? Okay. So the only thing that we need to do here is we need to type this data into GeoGebra, okay, and then get the quartic or fourth degree polynomial. Okay, so I would ask you to type this thing, geogebra.org/classic-spreadsheet. Okay, I want you to do that, and then this kind of interface will appear where you can type data over here and the corresponding graph will appear over here. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so for that, let me just type the data. Okay, so the data is this one. So this is year. For that year, I would simply write down X for that, right? Okay, so this is X. And consumer confidence index to be y, right? So that is it. Now then, so this is 8, 9, according to the number of years, right? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. And the corresponding data points are 88, 40, 57, 65, 62, 58, 79, and 104. Okay. So once we have typed the data, so we would like to select the data and try to choose the regression model. Okay. So select the data holding your left mouse button and go to this bar-like icon. Click there and choose the two variable regression analysis. Okay. Do that. Okay. Once we have done that, then we can see how it looks like. Okay, so the scatter plot is drawn immediately. Okay, it's automatically drawn. Middle bottom, you can see regression model. Right now, we don't have any regression model. If you click on this drop-down menu, then you can see there are many options that you can choose from. Okay, linear model, logarithmic, polynomial, power functions, exponential function, growth, sine functions. Those are trigonometry, logistic functions. So for now, we'll go towards polynomial or power. Okay, so I think, yeah, here we just need to go for polynomial functions. Okay, and in next chapter for exponential and logarithmic models, so we will go for log, exponential, growth, and logistic. Okay, so for now, let's choose polynomial. Now we know that polynomial function, okay, by default, they are giving us second degree polynomial or quadratic function, but we want fourth degree polynomial. So click on this drop down menu, which will show you various degrees of polynomial. Okay. So if you go for third degree polynomial, then you can see it is trying to approximate the scatter plot. Fourth degree polynomial, it gives us another approximation, and so on. You can play around with it. Let me go for sixth degree polynomial. It's kind of nice. Sixth degree polynomial, it's good. And yeah, you can go for whatever degree of polynomial you want. But here we want fourth degree polynomial. The equation is given automatically. So if you really want to understand how this regression model is obtained, then you need to go for higher classes or higher courses in statistics. You need to take that. Otherwise, for now, we just want to use the regression equation for that. Okay, so the regression equation is 0.5634 x to the power 4 and so on. Okay, so that is it. Okay, now you can see that we have plotted the data, found out the quartic regression, fourth degree polynomial, okay, fourth order polynomial, and we have graphed the data points. Okay, does the graph appear to be reasonable model for this data? Okay, kind of, yeah, I can think that, yeah, it is nice. Okay, it passes through two of the points and the other points are very close to the polynomial. So I feel like this is a good approximation for that data set. Okay. Okay. Now it is again asking us, what does the model estimate for CCI in 2015? So the original data, the actual data is for 2015, the consumer index was 104. Okay. But what is the approximation given by that polynomial? Okay. To obtain that, you just write down 2015 over there. Now for 2015, we just need to write down 15. Okay. So the approximation is, just type 15 over here and press enter. Then you can see that's approximately 106. All right. So that's it. Okay. For the year 2015, yeah, it is slightly over here. Okay. So that's how we do it. I hope this helps. Thank you so much.